Hi, Chris here for Dedsec and welcome to the channel, where today I speak about Epic's special and free games. So let's get started now. As usual, you will find the links for the trailers and the details about the game in the description down below, as well as a direct link to the free game. Once we are here in the Epic game, we go to store and then simply scroll down. Those one, if you don't want them, you can simply click here and they will disappear. Then you can go to the store if you want to. There we are. .res, they have I own it already, but they have a new update if you want to. So once we are in the store, we can go down. You have a spell break, which is free to play now. Okay, you can have, if you want, Football Manager 2020 if you want to have it for free. You simply click on here, get it, and it's a 2020. Yeah, it takes a little while, but it will come, no worries. There it is. My internet is very slow today. Verify your information and place your order. Click here if you want to share your email with Sega of Europe and all the rest. For me, I will not, so I simply place under the order. But you saw it was free, of course. There we are. Okay, ready to install if you want to. You can see it in the library. Install now. I will close this because I go back to the store, go back down, and I will get Watch Dogs 2. This game contains mature content, of course. So if you are under 18, you do whatever you're supposed to do, the correct things, I hope so. And there we are in Watch Dogs. So I will get the standard edition, but you can see you have 80% if you want on the season pass, 80% also on the gold edition and on the deluxe as well. So I get the normal one for free. And wait, let the page load. There we are. This is the checkout. Once again, I don't want to share my email with Ubisoft. Okay, I just place the order. Okay, they are confirming. You must know that every time you place an order like this, they will send you an email confirmation to the one you provided when you subscribe. And thank you. An email has been sent to you, of course, with a massive open world. Okay, and that's about it. You can go all the way down if you want to. Alright, that was all. You can go to the store, and there was also coming soon a roller coaster, but if you want, maybe I should get this. Okay, you can see there is sales almost every day, and you need to go and see what's different. But as for now, that's it for today, and I would like for you, if you like this video, to do your YouTube things by pressing the like button, subscribe if you want to, or press the bell icon if you want to be notified every time I post a new video. However, if you do not like this video, simply leave a comment down below and tell me why so. Otherwise, stay safe guys, and bye now.